Okay, so here's the file that we just scraped and saved to our computer. You can see there's business name, phone number, address, city, state, zip. There's some duplicates and stuff like that, but with almost 4,000 results, we're not going to worry about them. And we're going to go ahead and save this file to our computer, which I've already done, and go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now in here you need to set up your posts categories. So we've named a category directory, and that's going to be for our lawyer directory. At the bottom here there's a new settings category for WFReview. We're not going to mess with too much in it at the beginning. We're going to go to categories, and these are review ratings categories. So we went to another site and got some ideas for what categories to use and decided on communication, knowledge, overall, price, value, and then results. You can delete things here, and then we can add things. It's going to put these in alphabetical order regardless of what we do in our site at the end. And you can apply different ratings categories to different categories in WordPress. So if you're doing a city guide for Baltimore and you have hotels and lawyers and you want to rate them on different things and categories, then you can do that as well. So we've got that set up now. We're going to save our changes and do upload data to posts. So we need to find the file that we just saved, and it's the lawyer's database, and click on this step 2, create your post template. So this is going to take a while because, oh my god, content/uploads folder does not exist or is not writable. So it looks like we've got to create this. So we're going to reconnect to our FTP, content, and create directory, uploads, and then right click file permissions, and we're gonna 777 this. Okay, now that should fix the problem. Let's try this again. Lawyer database, create your post template. Now there's 4,000 listings in here, so it's gonna take a while. Whoa, it didn't apparently. That was pretty quick. So creating the post template, it does this by taking the column titles. So we want our post title to be business name, and then we want the content to be the address. On the next line, city, state, and zip. And then we want phone, and then phone number. That should be good. You can play with this and have different formats and whatnot, and when you have a format that you like, you can save it as a template. So let's just save this as address, and go forward with that. Okay, so select dates, randomly select dates, that's fine. Categories, we want to make sure it's under directory category, that's right. And it looks like we're good to go there. So finish and create posts. And now it's counting all the posts that it's importing. This is the step that's going to take a while, and you probably don't want to watch me count this. This is taking a really long time, so I'm going to get a coffee. Alright, it says 3,556 posts were created. That isn't quite the 3,800 or whatever, probably because there were the national names and numbers omitted. But let's go ahead and see what that did for us. And here we go. We can see that now we've got all these different listings for lawyers. So Murphy Brian J. Attorney, and it lists the name, the address, and this is the layout of this is garbage right now, and that's what we're going to work on. But you can see there's 3,500 lawyers listed in our directory. And this is based on Yellow Pages, so some of them are going to be, you know, things people are searching for in Google. Some of them are going to be a little more gobbledygook. But overall, I mean, this is a great start. We've got Baltimore-lawyers.org, a good domain for a good category. It's a competitive industry, and we've got 3,500 lawyers in the Baltimore area listed. So now we need to go ahead and customize WordPress, make it look a little more like a site that has useful content and not some random spam page.